Hello everybody, this is Michael Clark with NB Clark Companies, and I'm here to talk about a very common term in the insurance industry called policyholder. So what is a policyholder? I know some people get confused. So that's the individual who actually owns the policy. They're the people who the policy is written for. They're the owner of the policy. They're the individual who is going to have to go ahead and pay for the policy, and then when the benefits are paid out, such as an accident policy or medical insurance policy, the policyholder is the one that's going to go ahead and receive those benefits. So very simple term, but sometimes not a lot of people understand this stuff because insurance can be so confusing. So expect the unexpected, prepare for the worst, and let us help you.